There's a page I came across recently, and what they're doing is honestly crazy. They tapped into a new type of content, and with just a handful of uploads, they're already getting millions of views across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. What's even more interesting is the concept behind it. It's these AI-generated Squid Game-style videos that people just can't stop watching. In this video, I'll break down exactly how this works and show you how to create the same kind of viral content from scratch. And to make it real, I created one myself in under 7 minutes. Let me show you what it looks like.
God, please protect her soul.
Mom! Help me!
The first thing you want to do is open the document linked in the description. Inside that doc, I've already structured everything for you so you don't have to guess or figure things out yourself. Start by copying the content idea generator prompt from the document. Once you've done that, head over to ChatGPT using the link in the description. Paste the prompt into the chat box and send it. What this is going to do is instantly generate multiple high-stakes game ideas for you. You'll start seeing concepts appear like intense survival challenges, dangerous environments, and emotionally gripping scenarios that are designed to capture attention. Now, from that list, pick the idea that stands out the most to you. Don't overthink it, just go with something that feels exciting and visually powerful. Once you've chosen one, copy the title along with the emotional hook attached to it. Next, go back to the document and copy the scene creation prompt. Then return to ChatGPT and paste it in. This time, you'll include the number of scenes you want and specific ideas you selected so the AI knows exactly what to build around. Once you send that, ChatGPT will break your concept down into detailed cinematic scenes. Each scene is written in a way that feels like a movie sequence, which is exactly what we want. Now, take the description for the first scene and copy it. This becomes your actual video generation instruction. Now it's time to bring your idea to life. Head over to Thank You AI using the link in the description. This is the main tool we'll be using, and it simplifies the entire process in a way that most people don't even realize is possible yet. Instead of jumping between different platforms and paying for multiple subscriptions, Thank You AI gives you access to powerful image, video, and audio models all in one place at a much more affordable cost. Everything is centralized, which makes your workflow faster and way more efficient. One of the biggest advantages here is the agent-based editing system. You don't need to be an expert or spend time learning complicated prompts. You can literally interact with the AI like you're having a conversation, and it will handle the heavy lifting for you while still producing high-quality results. Once you're inside the platform, go ahead and start a new project by selecting the video option. You'll see a text input box. This is where everything begins. Paste in the scene description you copied earlier. Next, set your format. Since we're creating content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, choose a 9:16 aspect ratio. For duration, set it to around 15 seconds so it fits perfectly into short-form content. After that, select your video generation model. For this style of content, I recommend going with Kling O3 Pro because it delivers very strong cinematic results. Make sure audio is turned on so your scene feels more immersive, then hit generate and let the AI do its thing. Within a short time, your first cinematic clip will be ready. Let's preview it. Now, go ahead and download it to your device. From here, you're simply going to repeat the exact same process for all the remaining scenes. Copy each one, generate it inside Thank You AI, and download the results until you have a complete sequence of clips. Now, once all your scenes are ready, it's time to put everything together. Download CapCut using the link in the description and import all your generated clips into the timeline in the correct order. This is where you refine everything. You can adjust the timing, add sound effects, include music, and make the video feel as engaging as possible. The goal here is simple: create something you would actually stop and watch yourself. And if you want to take this seriously and turn it into something bigger, I've also included more resources in the description to help you go further.